Hey my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Coheden Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer. This is a 100% bamboo. It's supposed to fit all drawer sizes. The dimensions are 15 inches long by 9 inches or to 14 inches if you expand it wide, and 2 inches tall. So here we go. So far so good. It looks pretty nice here. Let's see if I can't open that up. Wow, there we go. So this is kind of a little longer than the drawer organizer. Just kind of wanted a shorter one. This is, like I said, it's 15 inches long here. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So these slide out and give you a couple extra drawers here, so that you can see from the back there like that. And actually, seems pretty nice there. I'm obviously going to show you guys what this looks like in the drawer. This is just the unboxing video, but that's what you get. This runs about $20 on Amazon. It's 100% bamboo. Looks like it's pretty well put together here. It's glued and got little staples. And I will leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check that out. And when I finish the demonstration video, I'll leave that link also in the description. Looks like you're going to have, if you do expand this out, these other drawers are going to be a little bit deeper, so you can put some other things in there. And if you're going to have just regular silverware, I think our knives were about 9 inches long, I want to say, maybe 10. But this would accommodate longer things, such as a spatula or something that would be kind of narrow though. So anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing, guys. I will see you soon with the review and demonstration. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.